Meghan Markle's real-life fairy tale began when she married Prince Harry in 2018. But her own father turned her fairy tale into a nightmare. Meghan and her father, Thomas, were once very close. So what really went wrong? Growing up, Meghan's dad supported her and her acting career. Her parents divorced when she was only 2. But Meghan's father still adored her. Meghan was in private school, so she spent her weekends with her dad. Thomas helped Meghan to pursue her modeling career. He paid all the tuition fees and college fees for her daughter. So how did the relationship between father and daughter grow cold? When Meghan's engagement was announced, her father's name was included in the statement from Kensington Palace. Meghan wanted Thomas to walk her down the aisle. Thomas faced a great deal of pressure from British media. Some surprising photos of Thomas were published. The images included him getting fitted for a suit. Also studying a book about British. He then decided not to attend his daughter's wedding due to embarrassment. Even after that, Meghan and Harry wanted him to attend the wedding. Meghan reportedly cried before her wedding because her father wasn't there. After marriage, Thomas was told by Harry not to talk to media about any family matter. But he didn't listen. Thomas not only shared that Meghan and Harry longed for a baby, but he also brought up Harry's view on Brexit and Donald Trump. This brought a storm on Harry and hampered his public image. In an interview, Thomas complained about being cut out of Meghan's life. He told the paper that Meghan looked terrified in her new life. In August 2018, he even compared royal family to a cult. Meghan asked her dad to please stop creating so much pain. She wrote a letter to him. "Your actions have broken my heart into a million pieces. If you love me, as you tell the press you do, please stop. Please allow us to live our lives in peace. Please stop lying. Please stop creating so much pain. Please stop exploiting my relationship with my husband." Even Harry personally requested Thomas to stay away from media. Still, Thomas has not stopped talking to the press about his daughter's personal life. The continuous media footage of Thomas damaged the relationship between father and daughter. Only time will tell if this complicated relationship will mend itself.